The Everbridge Mobile App lets you receive safety alerts before, during, and after the event of an emergency. Your contacts can exchange messages and images through the Everbridge Mobile App, which comes on board with HIPAA, FedRAMP, SOX, and other compliance requirements, ensuring secure communications. You can download the Everbridge Mobile App and subscribe to public safety alerts from your organization. You can do so from an Android or Apple device. Open the app and you are presented with two options. Find an organization or subscription, which allows you to search for a system to register for or log into if you've already registered, or explore the map to review existing alerts that have been posted by public agencies based on location. To subscribe to your organization alerts, simply tap Find an Organization or Subscription. You can enter the keywords provided to you by your organization in the search bar here. Once you find your organization title in the search results, tap on the same. If your organization has enabled single sign-on, you are directed to your organization's single sign-on page. After you enter your credentials and complete your authentication, you are automatically directed to your profile page. You will see different sets of options here to manage your profile and specific settings. Tap Done once you are ready, and you will see all the notifications issued by your organization. You have now successfully logged into your organization using single sign-on. Thank you for watching and stay safe.